welcome to my channel, Kamsi's Home Tips YouTube channel. Thank you so much, my returning subscribers. I really appreciate you so much for being there. Okay, thank you for your support, thank you for your comments. I really appreciate it. My will-be subscribers, God bless you all. So today I am going to be showing you how to prepare granola at home. So it is an enjoyable snack which you can consume with ice cream, Greek yogurt, or ordinary plain yogurt. So it all depends on your choice. Like all the nuts I'm about to show you now, it all depends on what you want, the kind of nuts you like using. Okay, so it is subject to adjustment. So you can just decide to add any nut of your choice or remove. Okay, so let's get started. Here I have my 4 cups of traditional oat. So this is my walnut. This is 1.5 cups. I mashed it a bit because I don't really like it whole. I like it this way. So you can decide to leave yours whole. Okay, this is a combination of nuts. Okay, I have cashew nuts here. I have peanuts. I have almond. I have so many other nuts that I can't even describe their names. So I have here, because I like my granola to have more of almond and walnuts. So I have here half cup of almond. Okay, so this is coconut flakes. I actually made this at home. I have a video on this, so you can as well check out the video on how to make coconut flakes at home. Okay, this is 1 cup of coconut flakes. So I'm going to be using 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You can as well use honey. So I have here, this is half teaspoon of salt. This is just half teaspoon of ground ginger. I actually made this at home. Okay, this is cinnamon. This is my cinnamon, and this is my nutmeg. I'm going to grate it directly in the oat. So I also have my oil, half cup of oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil or any oil of your choice. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to add my minced nuts, okay, including my almond. I'm going to be adding my walnuts. And I will add half of my I'll put the remaining when it is done. So half of my coconut flakes. So I'm adding the combination of my salt, cinnamon, and ginger, ground ginger. So I put all of them. So I'm going to grate in just, this is what makes this what makes the granola complete, is this actually this nutmeg. Okay, so I'm going to be mixing. now we are going to add our wet ingredients. This is my oil. And so I'm going to measure in my 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then I'll be adding my sugar at this point. Then I'll stir. I'm going to measure in 1 tablespoon or 1.5 of water to help the sugar dissolve in the oil, because I noticed that the oil is not able to dissolve the sugar. Please, you can go ahead and dissolve this in water before adding it. I think that is easier. It's easier to dissolve it in just a little water, please, not much. Go ahead. Please remember to dissolve your sugar in water. Maybe two tablespoons of water will be okay. So now I'm going to pour it in. Making sure that everything comes together. As I mix this, I'm going to preheat my oven to 150 degrees centigrade. So this is our granola. This is our granola ready to be baked. So I'm going to put it straight. Put my parchment paper. Okay, yeah. So this is my baking tray. So I'm actually going to divide this into two. Here it is. we're going to put it straight in our oven and bake in 150 degrees centigrade. Okay, let's get to our oven. So this is after 20 minutes, though I've been stirring it. Okay, so I'm going to add the remaining of my coconut flakes and stir it. So I'll still put it back. I want it to brown more. You need to turn it constantly or else it will get burnt and mess the recipe up. So just in the next 5 minutes should be ready. It's taking much time because it's enough, you know, it is, but if it's lesser, it takes lesser time to be done. So it's just because it's full, that's why it's taking much time. Okay, so let's put it back to the oven. Oh, okay, viewers, it's ready. So crunchy. I want you to give this recipe a trial. Give it a trial, you will be glad you did. So I'm going to transfer it to my plate and allow it to cool more, after which I will taste it with yogurt. You can as well use the ice cream. Okay, the best is ice cream. I love using ice cream for this. So look at how beautiful it is. See? So going to just go ahead, put either Greek yogurt or anything, any ice cream, yogurt, it can go with either of them. So this looks so delicious. I wish I can give all of you to taste. This is yummy. So viewers, on this note, we have come to the end of today's video. Please, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. I'll be seeing you in our next video. Thank you so much, and God bless you.